Alright, so welcome again people to MG Sports TV, and the change of tone from Butler as I expected. Approaching this one a little bit more humble than the norm, definitely. So he did a pre-match interview, leading up to the game versus STATHS today. It was done in Niglino by Buchanan, I think it's. And so I'm going to read that article to you guys so you guys can get a better understanding of what he's saying. But before we do that, you must know, so we're going to do YouTube stuff, people. You know what the YouTube stuff? Hitting the like button and sharing the content. And if you're here for the first time, please do consider. I'm not saying you have to do it. I'm not saying you will do it. I'm not saying you must do it. I'm asking you just to consider hitting that subscriber button. But what I'm telling you to do is hit the like button. Yeah. Subscription is that's your that's your option, yeah. But like button, that's a non-negotiable. None. Anyways, let's get straight to the meat of the matter. I'm not gonna waste no time, people. I'll go straight into it. Straight into it. Alright, so as you can see, let me just read the article, what the article says. Let's read it. Which is Mona upbeat ahead of crucial clash against STATHS. Orin Buchanan, big up yourself, Bucky. Let's go. Craig Butler, head coach of coach Mona High team will have all to play for this afternoon when they lock horns with Philip Williams, coach St. STATHS. Now I'm gonna say one thing. In a crucial quarterfinal fixture in the 2023 ISA Manning Cup, Issa Digital Manning Cup, and at the Anthony Swallen Sports Complex. Kickoff time is 3 p.m. Mona, who are currently third in Group 1 on 2 points, are cognizant of the fact that only a victory over STATHS will take them through to the semi-final stage of the competition. Speaking ahead of today's assessment, my assignment, Butler shared that his players are not nervous as all members of the team are on the same page. Listen to this now. This is what Butler is saying. I know, sir, what Butler says, quite interesting. Because we have to expect something controversial. Yeah, basically all the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. Everyone is focused and determined to get this victory. STATHS are a good team. People, remember that this is how the narrative, I'll switch a little, not narrative, but this is how the tone kind of switch. So, giving a bit of recognition to other teams, like something we mentioned on the stream last night. STATHS are a good team, but Mona have depth, determination, skill, and leadership in the team to win, he stated. Mona, from their 2 games played, they have twice drawn. Following result 1-1 versus KC, 1-1 versus Catching. According to Butler, he hopes that his team will stick to their preseason commitment of going all the way this season, and is confident that they will get the job done against a tough STATHS outfit. This is what he said now. All we have to do is ensure that we follow through on our commitment. The only teams that haven't lost this season are ourselves and St. George's. The ball is round and everyone can win on the day. And we are going to give it our 1,000,000%, and I believe my boys won't let me down. This is what he said. It has gone very well as we have accomplished what we have set out for. Whoa. Let me read it personally. According to the Mona coach, the Manning Cup season has gone to plan so far, and he's happy knowing that his team fate lies solely in their own hands. It has gone very well. As we have accomplished what we have set out to do so far, we still have our destiny in our own hands, as all we have to do is win and go through. We don't have to depend on the results of other games. Mona and Phoenix Academy are the same thing, as they don't like the easy way out. So we'll push through and get the victory. That's all we can ask for, Butler said. So, yeah, and those are just details about the game. Anyway, so, as we say, people, the tone definitely will change. Eventually will change. That's just how it is. And his approach in this game may be a little bit more humble, knowing that this is a tough game, as he stated that STATHS is a tough team. So, certainly, I expect this game to be a cracker. Thank God me can watch it on my phone. But anyways, people, that's the little insight I want to give you guys. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button if you're here for the first time. If you want to, if you choose to, but make sure you hit the like button, people. Big up on yourself. Tell us what you think about change in tone, if you think there's any. Maybe there's not. Maybe there's not. I do believe that there's a change in tone though. But if you tell us what you think about the interview, tell us what you think about his thoughts on the game, and tell us you think who will win. Drop that in the comment section. Who do you think will win this one? Big up on yourself, people. Have a good day, people, and God bless. See you later for the show. Big up. Boom.